Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic because it is really cool. This cat or small, I want to say small to medium size cats and dogs pet stroller that this brand sent to me for this video. We have Minnie over here. We have four cats at home, and she's kind of like the more keen to go out, like go outside on a pet stroller. So that's why she's right here. But I'm gonna take her out. Probably you can hear her mowing. I think so, but I'm gonna take her out and put her back inside of the house so you can see this one better from like a close-up because all of our cats are indoor cats, so I don't want to risk it. But I gotta say, bottom line, this is a foldable, super convenient, looks really cool, and it's also like a 2 or 3 4-in-1. You can actually take this one out as a basket, many other things. But I'm gonna take her inside of the house so you can see this one better. So many good things to talk about this one. So number one, the entire thing is foldable. I'm gonna be showing that one to you in a few seconds. Then it supports 66 pounds. So again, I think it's for medium to small size cats and dogs, but don't forget about the 66 pounds, not 65, 66. Then you're gonna find this over here, which comes with a lock, so you can actually lock it. You're gonna hear a click. So once you're done, this is gonna be all lockable, which by the way comes with mesh right here on the back or the front, whenever you wanna put it. And then you're gonna find a few things. So number one, this right here, by the way, you press on the sides and you have this is going to be your handle for your basket. And then how do you unlock the basket? Right here you're going to find two other locks. You remove those locks and you have your big basket to just take your pet with you on the go. Let's say that we're going to the vet or something like that. We don't need to take the whole thing. We actually can take this one, which is with the locks, so they won't get out easily. So that is really, really cool to have. Oh, by the way, now that we're here with this one, I'm gonna just take this one out, which I'm gonna show you what it is in a few seconds. Taking this one out, you're gonna find this. There's gonna be a button over here, so you're gonna press this button. Once that you press this button, the whole thing is gonna be what? Foldable. So you can take the whole thing with you and just drop it in your car trunk or something like that and just make it to be foldable again. If not, you can just do this and it's all ready and set to go. So we're gonna put this one back. Make sure that makes contact with the locks over here and the other lock over there. We're gonna hear a click, and that's pretty much it. So then a few other things. We're gonna put this one right here up front. We're gonna take this lock out. So you can find that this one comes with a cushion over here, but also not one, but two leashes that you can actually use to make sure that your pet is not going anywhere. So having this, to me, is really important. And then besides the instruction over here, which you can give them a read, you also gonna find a winter liner. This winter liner, you can remove it or you can put it from the winter inside here, making sure that your pets also have that winter mud collected. Last but not least, besides having all that storage right here on the bottom, which I think it is super important, you also have a lock over here. So now you can see this, and then I'm gonna lock it. So now the wheels won't move, and now they can move back again. So as I was telling you before, this could be really convenient to have for your cats, for your dogs, and making sure that you have a way of both transportation for them, like going to the vet or grocery store or things like that, or just if you have indoor cats like in my case, you can actually put them in here and make sure that they have a really nice experience outside. I like it. 66 pounds, remember. Give it a thumbs up, recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.